Hello, this is an introduction to coding in Python. There are no prerequisites for this series, and the assumption is that you have zero knowledge in programming. When we are about to write any program, we ask ourselves, how would we solve the problem we have in hand as humans? Then we detail our solution into steps, something we call the algorithm. Then finally, we translate those steps into a code. For instance, let's say that we need to write a program that can find the area of any given square. So, the first thing you would do if I were to task you with finding the area of some square would be asking me, what's the value of the side length? Then the second thing you would do would be multiplying that value by itself. Finally, the last step would be giving me the answer. These three steps that we've just listed, although that's simple, that's what we call the algorithm of this problem. And now it's time to translate that algorithm into a code. The first thing we need to do according to our algorithm is displaying a message to the user asking them to enter the value of the side length. And the way to do that in Python is through the command input. So I'll write side is equal to input, please enter the value of the side length. Now, as you probably can tell, the command input displays a message to the user and then saves whatever value the user enters. The next step is multiplying the side length by itself. And multiplication in Python is through the asterisk, as follows. So, area is equal to side, asterisk, side. Now, the last thing is to display the output, and this is achieved in Python using the command print. So, write print and area. Now there's one last thing missing in this code. Computers are not smart, so whatever value the user enters, it's to the computer just a drawing. It needs me to tell it that this is actually a number, not just a drawing, not just a string. And this is achieved through the command integer or the command float. So I'll need to go back to input and wrap it inside an integer, just like that. And now if I go to the top right, and click on the run, if you see on the bottom left, it's asking me please enter the value of the side length, and if I give it a value like 10, it gives me 100, which is the correct answer.